Hello, in this video we're going to see how we can install Node.js using NVM on macOS or on an Ubuntu machine. So we can start creating your Node.js projects. I've already written an article in here that you can follow and write all the steps that you need to install it. So for macOS, we're gonna use the home route to install NVM and have multiple versions of Node.js, and on Ubuntu we're gonna use the default repository or NVM to install it. And after we're gonna go and see how we can install some Node version and how we can utilize them. It's working also on M1 and M2 Macs. Actually, it's an M1 MacBook Air where I'm running this. So let's get started and see how we can install Node.js on our Mac machine. So first we're gonna go and install Homebrew. If you don't already have this thing installed, we're gonna run these commands to install it. Let me put my password. Okay. Right now it's installing. I don't have Homebrew installed on this. Okay. Brew it's installed now and can go and install the NVM on our Mac. To do this, we're gonna run brew install NVM. Okay. Right now the NVM is installed. We're gonna need to go create a directory to tell the user where the NVM exists, and then we're gonna go and add this on ZSR Sage. So this is a default shell for Mac. ZSCH. If you're using Bash or anything else, you need to change this path. I'm using the default one in here. Let me go and let me do a VI over here, and I'm just going to add this there. Insert it. Save this thing. Okay. And right now we need to activate these configurations. So we can do this later with login logout, or we can do just a source of this thing. Okay, so right now if we run NVM version, we should have the NVM version. Sorry. We have the latest version for this. Right now on Ubuntu, we just need to run these commands. You install a kernel, then you run the installation on NVM, and then you just search the bash recipe, because the Ubuntu installation will take care of these variables that are gonna be added. So right now we're gonna need to install the Node with the NVM. So there are multiple versions of nodes out there. The LTS one is the 16 one, and we're gonna use that. You need to check and see what your project needs. Okay, let's go. To install it, we just run this command: NVM install --LTS. Okay, and this will gonna go and download the LTS version. In our case, it's the 16.17.1. This is the latest version. Right now, if we run the load version, we can check and see the version that we have. So yeah, right now we have Node installed. You can install also other version if you want. For instance, you can go and install NVM install 18 or 40, depending on what you want, and they'll tell the specific version to be used for that environment. So like this, you are installing Node on your Mac machine. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thanks.